Essential tips for hiking beginners. What you need to know before you hit the trails. Hiking isn't just walking, it's a journey into the wild. Prepare right and make your first hike unforgettable. Why did the hiker bring a pencil? To draw their own path. Plan your route. Research trails suitable for beginners. Start small. Choose shorter, less challenging hikes for your first adventure. Invest in good footwear. Proper hiking boots prevent injuries and blisters. Layer clothing. Be prepared for weather changes with lightweight, breathable layers. Pack light. Bring essentials but avoid overloading your backpack. Stay hydrated. Carry enough water or a filtration system. Bring a map. Even with GPS, a physical map can be a lifesaver. Know the weather. Check forecasts to avoid unexpected storms. Practice leave no trace. Protect the environment by taking all trash back with you. First aid kit. Always be prepared for minor injuries or emergencies. Pace yourself. Take breaks and listen to your body. Hike with a buddy. It's safer and more fun with company. Trust your instincts. If something feels unsafe, turn back. Hiking for beginners can be life-changing if planned properly. With the right preparation, you'll enjoy nature's beauty while staying safe. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.